Hi, my name is Joanne, and I worked at Penn Stone for 4 years. I mainly am in behind the scenes, but I work with selecting planters for the patio and also planting the planters to give people a visual of what they can become. Today we're talking about finding the best fit for your outdoor space. One of the first things I would say is to step back and look at the area from a distance, whether it's your front entrance, the patio, deck, whatever it is, and then walk towards it. What size do you think you need? What's the color of your house? And what do you think would look nice? The other thing is, it's personal preference. Do you like symmetrical or asymmetrical? Both are going to be nice, so it's up to you. Spring is a great time to visit the store and look at the collection of planters that we've brought in. But if you don't see what you're looking for, we also can special order it for you, so just ask one of the sales reps. So I just encourage you to come out, and we look forward to seeing you here at the showroom.